try these noodles, man. Pretty good. This thing's still burning pretty hot down there. I have to watch out, man. So the stoves look efficient. Noodles are definitely good. Look at that, man. Damn, that's good. Got some spoon roast in there, some hot sauce. Good noodles. These are regular noodles and not rice noodles. It's quite a bit in here. Worked out pretty good. I do have a fork in my kit, but I'll try these out. I'll bust them up a little bit. But we got to take advantage of the snow. A little spring snow, probably the most snow we had all year. Crazy winter here. Sometimes you have tons of snow, sometimes not a lot. We had a lot of ice this year. Good for ice fishing too. But yeah, it's good stuff, man. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Once again, I'm always hungry, you know. Now for breakfast I had nice French toast, nice bread with gotta watch that, man. If I catch fire, I'll just jump in the snow. But nice maple syrup that I actually bottled myself at the nature center. I helped them collecting syrup, and I went over and helped them a little bit when they were making syrup. I'm not the sugar guy. I just kind of fed some of the wood and helped bottle some of the syrup. Brought it home. It's fresh. It's throwing some good heat there, man. So they seem to be efficient, but a little slow to get going. But I have found with alcohol stoves, the more you use them, the better they are until they get dirty. Then you have to clean them. But I might get back to you on the. I'll eat these up. You don't watch me eat the whole thing. But when I have the tea with some cookies, I'll get back to you. In the meantime, this thing is still burning there. That's not too bad. Pros, cons, a little slow to get going. Of course, it's new. The shield around it seems to work. Maybe too good. I don't know. Might need more air. But seems to be efficient. And same with the other one. Not too bad. They have a wider footprint, these alcohol stoves. Just see some pictures. My little Go Hike stove, I kind of like that, you know, or I like my Swedish Army stove, but that's cool. So these noodles, as you saw when I showed you, a couple bouillon cubes and then a little cluster of these. You take that, it's very lightweight. If you're hiking or just going out there, works out pretty good. You get a little more noodles than saying the Thai noodles with the rice noodles. You get a little more with this. But they're fine, man. Yeah, tastes really, really good. So that's good. So I'll get back to you, man. Still throwing some real good heat, man. Excuse me. So, I got my wheat cookies, whole wheat cookies, Maria cookies, I think made by Gullon out of Spain. Delicious. Got my Denby cup, you know, from England there. I think I used it before. I have my Cooksa too, but I have 6 of these and they're robust and There goes my tea, man. There you go. But, whoa, damn. Fires are still going. But both of them. So they last a long time. It's going to keep the tea hot. I can add more water to it, which I think I will. Because I'll keep it on the burner. It's still burning. So it does burn a long time. There you go. Cool. Little US cup. Now, sometimes in the old days, actually, when I used them, there was a defect in the, right here. This is when it hooks up to your gas mask. I literally sewed it, even where it was needed. They spent money on these things, but they got a bad deal here, and these actually would break off. You don't want to lose these. So I actually sewed these together. So, you know, sometimes they come off, or they would break. The one I actually used all the time did break. I sewed it together. That's how it was. Just to let you know, the little gas cap part. So, but an old US cup, little tidbit. But yeah, I got my, lost my cookie down there. So, fire's still going good. Now, these don't have any caps or anything like that. I didn't try the other caps to see if they fit, but you can figure how to put it out if you want. But I'm gonna let them burn right out. All right, nice meal, cup of tea. Video's probably going a little long, but in the snow. This combobulation there, Russian cavalry poncho, Belgian poncho, US shelter hat. It's been up through all kinds of weather. It's fine. Put some hemlock in the bottom. You see a lot of water right here because some of the snow went right on the bottom of this tent and melted here. But temperatures are going to get very cold this week, so this snow's not going anywhere. I just figured it was pretty today, so we can come out here. We'll just cook something up. And then I just happened to see about Joe Rob's dog, Joe's dog Scout. So it's for him, for Joe, it's going to hurt him a long time. I had a dog, Mowgli. He was a pure black, but he was like a black German Shepherd, and he was half lab. Dog was brilliant, can read my mind. But if you took him in the woods, you got to pay attention to him a little bit, or he might want to go back to the truck. But dog was absolutely brilliant. Walking in my house, coming home from work, say, Mowgli, check it out. That's all I'd say. That dog would go to every room in the house. Amazing. Great with the kids. No one's going to mess with you or the kids. But he's smart. So it's Quinn the Eskimo. Fair Ride on Instagram. But nice to be out here, take advantage of the snow. I do like the winter. A lot of people like the winter. I love the winter. But little March snow. Here he comes. Then be cup. Maria cookies from Gullon from Spain. Wheat cookies, good. Looks like I finished the last one. Now I'm gonna have some more tea too. I'm just gonna finish that tea, man. I poured more water in there, and it's still burning. Stoves are still going. So pros and cons. Take a while to get going. I don't know if it's the air configuration or what. No, pretty hot. But they burn a long time, so pretty efficient. But this device here stays like that because of the stove. You're not going to put wood or anything in there unless you make some type of adapter. So I think my little clicker's not working now. It did before. Let me try. So you take care. Canteen Cup Tuesday. Frisco.